Okay. To go back to the properties, we said that DNA needed to be stable because it's got to transmit information from one generation to the next. And we can't allow for that information to get corrupted, because if the information gets corrupted en route, then the offspring will not share the same characteristics as the parents. And that would not be good for us, because we would never be able to make predictions about what would be a good set of genes for the environment. Right? How does it achieve that? Well, it's got two strands, and these two strands wrap around each other into a very stable molecule, a very stable structure. The important bits are the sequence of the bases, and they're on the inside of this structure. If you like, they're protected by these backbones that run up the molecule, and it's twisted round. So it's difficult to get at these bases, which is a good thing. It means that you can protect the information. There's two strands. Both strands have got a code on them. Why is that good? Why does that make it stable and a good structure for transmitting information?
Because one strand's a backup.
One strand is a backup copy. I've got a good copy here, and then if anything goes wrong with the copy that I'm reading, I've got a backup copy. If one of these bases gets knocked out, then the backup copy can tell me which base should go there. If one of these bases gets changed for another base, I've still got the correct sequence on this strand. So I've got a backup copy. I said that DNA needed to be able to store information. We've looked at how the sequence of bases acts like a code. What other properties of DNA did we have? Stable, store information. What else did it have to be able to do?
Instruct other parts of the cell.
It's got to be able to instruct other parts of the cell. A little bit technical, that, a little bit complicated to show how it does that when looking at this. There's a fourth one.
Needs to be able to unwrap.
Needs to be able to unwrap. Alright. It's coiled up at the moment. You've got an enzyme in the nucleus called helicase. Helicase does the job of unwinding this. It untwists the ladder so that you've got the backbone of the ladder there, and then you've got the rungs going across like that. Helicase will do another job for you. It will split the bases apart. We call this unzipping. We can say that you can unzip the double helix, and that exposes the bases on the inside there. When they're exposed, you can read them. You can read the code, you can do something with it. Alright? 4 things that it can do: stable, transmit information, can unwrap it, and it can instruct other parts of the cell. Right? You need to be able to relate this structure to those functions. Cheers, Adam.